we have with us Mr. Shekhar, Senior Vice President, Business Development, Abhi Developers. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, what makes Abhi Nandika different?
Okay. See, we have done with many projects in Bangalore. Nandika is an affordable section. Okay. This is something where the luxury and the comfort comes together.
Right.
Okay. The designing aspects which have been given a very deepful thought about this is we have 3 variants which we have covered, called as the 2-bedroom study and the 3-bedroom. It all comes to you at an affordable cost.
Right.
So I could say these are the sorts of a pick for any customer per se.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I'd still ask you, why is it the best choice for especially those who are looking for affordable homes?
Okay, now I told you that we have 3 variants here.
Right.
All the 3 variants I am covering up with a budget bracketed between 30 and 40 lakhs. So if you're getting a 2-bedroom for 30, I'm also giving you a 3-bedroom for 40 lakhs, which is all inclusive price, excepting the registration and GST, whatever. You have all amenities, whatever you ask for. And that's why I say you have the comfort on one side and you have the budget on the other side.
Also, what about the connectivity with the rest of the city?
It's awesome. As I wanted to tell you is the new Bommasandra metro station, which is very close to our project, is a feather in the cap. And the place where this project is happening, as per the geographical name, it is called as Igaluru, where Igaluru has its own bus depot. It is not the buses which come from different places and go, the buses start from that place. So any part in Bangalore in and around, you have the local transportation connectivity. And very close to being on the Hosur road, you connect yourself to out of Bangalore, Chennai route and Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
It's very close to the national highway.
Thank you so much, sir, for that information.
My pleasure.
I'm sure everybody is going to be really happy to be part of Abhi Nandika.